What's up, everyone? My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online. I was ranked the #1 editor on YTJobs in 2025. I've done 500 million long form views for my clients. I make over $12,000 a month every single month, and I've retired my mom with video editing all at age 21. Now, here's some of the notable clients I've worked with. I've worked with Skeppy, A Cookie God, Speedy Blocks, and many more creators, as you can see here on my YTJobs. So that's a little bit about me and my credibility and why you should probably listen to what I have to say in this video, because today I'm going to tell you how to always get clients as a video editor. This will leave you never looking for clients again. So listen up if you're someone who wishes they had more clients, whether it's wishing you had one more client, wishing you had your first client ever, or just wishing you could consistently have enough clients to do video editing full time. Whichever one of those may be you, please listen up, because this video is made directly for you, because I've been in your situation before. I've been doing editing 5 years, and if I knew everything that I know now, I could have gotten to where I'm at, making 6 figures within 1 to 2 years. And that's a flex that not a lot of careers can do. So be sure to listen up. I'd also like to mention that I do have a private community called 6-Figure Editor. It's over on School, where every single day I'm answering all of your questions, giving you personal feedback based off of you and your situation, as well as a giant course that goes over how to brand yourself as an editor, how to position yourself properly, how to increase your rates without clients saying no, how to find clients, my exact outreach script that got me 6-figure clients, and a bunch more sauce every single day, all for less than the price of one video. So if you are interested, the link's in the description or the links in my Twitter bio, depends where you're watching this. And thank you so much for listening about it. I highly recommend it if you're serious and passionate about editing and want to turn yourself into the next 6-figure editor. But yeah, enough about my community 6-Figure Editor. Back to what I'm saying. So obviously, if you want to get clients, you need to position yourself where the clients are. And more often than not, there's only a few places where you're going to be able to find clients, and that's on job hosting sites like YTJobs or social media sites like Twitter, Instagram, and whatever. Now, a lot of people take the wrong approach, and I will call this the maximalist approach, where they're like, I'll do a little bit of cold email outreach, I'll do a little bit of Twitter DMs, a little bit of Instagram. No. This is completely wrong. I've talked about this more in my course, but I'll give a brief summary now. What you want to do is pick one platform that is going to be your platform. Me personally, I use Twitter. Are you going to be the Twitter guy? Are you going to be the Instagram guy? It doesn't really matter about the platform. It's more about sticking to one and putting all of your eggs into that basket. You know, putting all of your effort into growing your presence on said platform and doing the maximum amount of outreach on this. I also want to break down some very simple math for you, okay? When I learned what I'm about to share with you, things changed forever for me, and it's all super simple math. So listen up, okay? Let's say your goal, to make it easy, is to make 10 grand a month, okay? It's a clean, easy number, so we're going to use that for this example. Your goal could be 5,000. I hear you. Your goal could be 10,000. Your goal could even be 2,000, you know. But you can take this math and break it down for anything. So, okay, let's say I want to make $10,000 a month recurring every month. All right, let's start doing the math. If I need to make $10,000 a month and my average client pays, let's say, $2,500 a month, you know, that's the offer you're running, or that's about what your clients are averaging. That means, okay, do the math. 10,000 divided by 2,500, that's 4. Okay. Easy. So now you know you need 4 clients. Now think about how little people that is. There's 8 billion people on Earth. And to do editing full time, live your dream lifestyle, you need 4 of them to work with you. 4 out of 8 billion. Okay, guys, are you starting to see how simple this is? Okay, now we're going to move forward with the math, okay? So let's say you need 4 people. And if you need even less than this is even simpler, but I'm just going to stick to my $10,000 example because it's easy. Okay, so you need 4 people. Now, let's say you realize that out of every 100 outreach messages you send, let's say that you get responses from 10 people with a 10% reply rate. That's not amazing, and it's also not terrible for cold outreach. Now, let's say out of those 10 people, you end up seeing interest from 3 of them, okay? Now, let's say out of those 3 people, 1 of them moves forward with you and takes you on as a client. Okay, so that's 1 out of your 4 people. So that means it took 100 messages to get 1 out of the 4 people you need. Okay, not saying this is going to be your number. Your number could be way less. It could be way more, but you have to experiment with mass volume to find your number. And now that we know our number, which is 1 closed client per 100 messages sent, why not just repeat the system? Let's say if it took me 3 days to send the 100 messages. I was doing 33 messages on outreach a day, cold outreach. Then I'll say, okay, if I need 3 more clients to start making 10 grand a month consistently, do editing full time, retire my parents with my dream lifestyle, as I have at 21, and you only need 3 more clients, that means that's going to be 9 days of sending 33 more messages a day on average with your consistent rate to close said 3 clients. If you have good work and like are developing your personal brand in the background, even if you've only been editing for 6 months, this is possible for you. Do you see how easy this is? Yet most of you just stay stuck. You stay stuck because you're focusing on the wrong things. You think that you need a new AI Twitter profile picture, or you think this new auto cut plugin is going to change the game for you. What you need to do is outreach. You need to do the math on your number, your dream income, and what kind of reps that's going to take, and then just simply perform on those reps. I promise you, you're going to see a whole world of difference, and doing this is exactly what took me from making $3 grand a month back in the day, like 2 years ago, to over $12,000 every month for over the last year and a half, every single month. This money has allowed me to change my life. I can travel. I can work from my laptop literally wherever I want. I could buy my friends and family nice gifts. I retired my mom. She was a school teacher who was exhausted every day, and I replaced her income. And now she gets to live at home and do the stuff she likes. Do you know how beautiful that is? Especially doing it at 21 with online freelance video editing. And it's so easy because all I did was break down the math and do the set actions and work with the people. Like, it's so simple. And I just want to mention again, guys, I do have my private school community 6-figure editor. I promise if you thought this was valuable, this pales in comparison to the value that I'm dropping every single day in there for only $50 a month. If you close one client who's paying you 2.5 grand from everything you learn in 6-figure editor, you're making a 50x return on your payment that you spend with us. So I highly recommend it if you're an editor, even a little bit serious about going full time, because I promise you it'll be well worth it and you will make your money back if you take action. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.